Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're digging into a product that's been popping up all over social media, the Chuzhao TLR vintage style camera. It's marketed as a limited edition digital TLR with retro vibes and a massive discount. But is it really a great deal or just another online trap? Stay with me because what I found may save you from wasting your money. Let's start with the biggest hook, the price. The Chuzhao TLR is advertised at just $19, supposedly slashed down from $183, and it even comes with free worldwide shipping. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly where the red flags begin. When you look closer, the product page gives you almost no technical information, no details about the sensor, megapixels, battery capacity, storage, nothing. For any digital camera, even a toy grade one, that level of spec opacity is a huge warning sign. They basically want you to buy blind. So I compared it with similar models online, and here's where things get interesting. You can find nearly identical vintage style TLR cameras on AliExpress for under $30. Same body, same build, same design. That means the so-called $183 value is likely completely fabricated to make their $19 price look like a miracle deal. Then I dug into the website itself and it only got worse. You can't right click, you can't select text, and developer tools are disabled. Sites usually do this to hide stolen images, copy descriptions, or low quality code. Legit brands don't need to hide their pages like that. Next, the reviews. The product claims 471 5-star ratings, but you can only actually view 3. And those 3 are vague, short, and have 0 photos. That alone kills the credibility. No third-party reviews, no YouTube tests, no real customer images, nothing. And the contact information, even shadier. The listed address points to a registered agent mailbox in Delaware. The phone number doesn't trace back to any business, and the support email is just a generic Gmail account. For a premium camera brand, that's a huge red flag. Their return policy is another trap. You only get 24 hours to cancel an order, and they charge a 5% restocking fee even if the product hasn't been shipped yet. That's basically designed to prevent refunds. Finally, I checked the domain registration. The website was created on January 3rd, 2025, making it a brand new, unverified, and highly suspicious storefront. So, is the Chuzhao TLR camera a scam or legit? Based on everything, fake discounts, missing specs, suspicious reviews, shady contact details, and a brand new domain, this has all the signs of either a massively overpriced knockoff or a complete scam. If you're looking for real retro style cameras or budget digital options, there are far better and safer alternatives out there. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you avoid a bad purchase, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.